gun can be locked with this. Now it's locked, it's not working. You just have to push this. Now it's locked. Connect this hose, we have to lift this, and now we are going to push this up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have received Kärcher K2 pressure washer. Today we are going to unbox it and assemble it. This Kärcher K2 pressure washer is made in Germany. Its power rating is 1400 watt, water flow rate is 360. Kit include a 5-meter hose, water filter, gun with quick connect, dirt blaster, vario power jet, patio cleaning liquid, surface cleaner, extension. I have also ordered this aqua stop. This is good with the K2 machines because it can bear the pressure of the water. Socket parts are available, but they may leak sometimes. Let's start. We are not going to unbox it. Here inside the box we have this instruction guide. This is the hose. This is the gun. This is the patio cleaner. This is the vario power. And this is the dirt blaster, as you can see. And this is Kärcher pressure washer. What's left inside? We have 2 wheels, and this is extension and patio connector. Now we are going to connect the parts. These wheels, we just have to push it in. Okay, now we'll put the second wheel. The wheel just needs to be pushed inside. See, it's connected. Now we are going to push this in. See this? We just have to push it in. Stop. We need to register this product as through their app as well. You can register through the website kärcher.co.uk, and you can also install this app on your phone as well. You can see the pressure signs. 1 is for soft, 2nd is for medium, and 3 is for hard. You can just rotate anti-clockwise or clockwise for this. This is the power hose which is going to be connected to the Kärcher. To connect this hose, we have to lift this, and now we are going to push this up and lock it. Viewers, to connect the gun, we just have to pull this, lock, and then slide this in and push it. Now gun is ready for the wash. Just push it and rotate. The gun can be locked with this. Now it's locked, it's not working. You just have to push this black button. Now it's working. Now it's locked. And this is the extension for the patio. It's locked. Okay guys, I have also ordered this aqua stop separately because it's not included with the machine. It's basically being connected with the water hose and the machine. This side we will push it and it's locked. Now we will connect the water hose from this side and then you can use it for car wash or patio cleaning or anything. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.